chofi. I came for a little walk in the woods, and now I'm just chilling here for a bit, touching the water with my feet. And it's really nice here, but I don't enjoy it so much being alone. It's not that fun. And so yeah. I'm going to keep walking back. Oh. The water here is really cold. This water is so I don't enjoy walking alone that much because I feel like I have always turned on my like survival instinct, just because I'm kind of afraid if somebody bad comes out. But it's like an irrational fear I feel, because if I think, I'm not afraid because nothing will happen to me, but it's just like you got always people telling you that you have to be careful and everything. So I think that is notice that I became like really scared of a sound that probably was just a little lizard, a little reptile, but I became afraid. And I feel like that's why I don't enjoy walking alone in the woods, um, because in the city I enjoy going to buy something alone, like it's not a bother to me. But walking alone in the woods, I don't enjoy that much, and I would like to be with my boyfriend right now because I feel like then I would enjoy it a lot more. The only thing that I like doing more when I'm not with other people, not everybody, but most of the people, is looking at flowers, because majority of the people just get bored if they go out to walk with me, because I like to stop in every beautiful flower or beautiful thing that I see, or a lichen, or a beautiful moss, or a stone. And people are not interested in that, but me, I love that. So that's something I love doing, and that sometimes I can't do when I'm with other people. For example, look at this. This is so beautiful. It's like you can smell the fresh water, and it smells so great. Look at the difference that water makes. It's everything green around it, that and that patch, but far from it, it's really dry, because here we're in a place that has Mediterranean climate, so in summer it's really dry. And look at this terrain, it's really dry, and that water makes the whole difference.